Welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's an exciting day today as our boys over at Apex Fitment Tire have hooked up a deal through Fuel Off-Road to give us a full ride on a brand new set of fuel wheels for the F-150 Tremor. Now the fuel wheels will be wrapped in brand new tires by Avix. It's their brand new Trail Tek RT tires. I'm very excited to get these on. I've had a very similar design in the past, so you guys will see that all in due time. We're heading over to the shop right now to pick up the new wheel and tire setup, and then we'll head back to my garage to get them all installed. Here's our new setup on our Tremor, the 18x9 plus one offset fuel fortresses on the 35, 12.5, 18 Avix Trail Tek RT tires. Setup should look sick. I cannot wait to get home and put it on. We got Adoni here, one of the Apex boys, putting on some new wheels and tires on his Tremor. He's just getting his calibrations for his sensors dialed in. But we're gonna get the rest of these guys loaded in, take them back to the garage, and we'll have them installed shortly. So this is a Adoni setup. These are 17x9 plus 20 on 35 by 12.5. All right, give her a crank. Back the other way. So you can see how much she clears on the front. And let's look on the back here. All right, crank it the other way. Oh yeah, he's got no issues with that. So 35s on a plus 20, 17x9, and it looks deadly. We are back in the garage and I'm gonna hammer out this install. I cannot wait to get these put on the truck. And one thing I'm very curious about is whether or not this new setup is going to rub, because our old setup, the 18x9 minus 15, rubbed very slightly on this corner here. And these are a 305, 70, 18, and these are a true 35 by 12.5 on an 18x9 zero offset wheel. So the 35s are currently bigger than our current setup, though there is weight on these tires. You can kind of see the difference right there. And with the zero offset, I'm really praying that we do not rub. We won't know until we get them installed, so let's get right to it. And one thing you should always do is hand thread your lug nuts on before tightening them down. I see lots of guys, I'll just throw them into their drill and hammer them on. And the last thing you want to do is cross thread your lug nuts onto your wheel studs, because that would be an absolute nightmare to have to deal with. All right, so we got the new setup all on and it looks deadly. So what I'll do right away is I'll put the camera on and we will turn the wheels to see if it hits those back corners. On these newer trucks, it seems like they've made a lot more room on these front crash bars compared to the previous models, because I don't even come anywhere near the front crash bars. A lot of people say, do you rub on your front crash bars? It's definitely not the front you have to worry about, it's definitely the rear. You have less room right here. So it's fair to say that rubbing here should not be an issue. Maybe if we hit a really odd incline where the wheels sort of shoved up into our wheel well, we might see a little bit of rubbing, but time will tell. So far so good, which is awesome to see. And then obviously on the front crash bar, you can see how much room we have there. So I definitely don't see us having any issues with this setup like we did with this setup. So once again, we have an 18:9 plus 1 millimeter offset on 35 by 12.5. And this one was an 18:9 minus 15 on a 305/70/18. Look at the specs. This tire should be smaller on paper than this guy, but I don't think that's the case. I think the 35 is slightly smaller than the 305. So once it gets a little brighter outside, we'll take the truck out and we'll do a full walk around and see how much offset we have as well, guys. There's gonna be some drone footage involved, so stay tuned for that. And here it is, you guys, our brand new wheel and tire setup for the F-150 Tremor. And this is my first set of fuel wheels on any of my trucks, and I am absolutely in love with this style. I'm in love with the tire design. These Avix Trail Tek RT tires look really good. They're very similar to the Radar Renegades I previously had on my truck, and they are owned by the same company, the same parent company. I've stated many times before that I love the Radar RT tires and I would not hesitate to run them again. And here we are, you guys, the Avix Trail Tek RTs. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, I went with the 18:9 0 millimeter offset, actually +1 offset. And compared to my 18:9 minus 15, I still have quite a bit of poke on the setup. So very, very happy with how that worked out. I don't feel like I lost any of my aggressiveness because of that offset change. And the overall concave style of these wheels are something I've grown to love. I used to really like the lip style in wheels, you know, the 20-inch wheels with a 3 to 4 inch lip. And now I've come to love the whole concave style, especially in the smaller 17 to 18-inch wheels. I just think it suits the Tremor that much more compared to the 20s with the lip. So like I said before, 18:9 plus 1 millimeter offset on a 35 by 12.5 inch tire. And we are currently running a 2.5 inch level kit. We are currently working with a company to get a new suspension kit set up for the F-150 Tremor. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Very excited about that one. We also have a lot more mods to go on the truck, so stay tuned for those as well. And that's all I got for you guys in this video. I cannot wait to edit this. I cannot wait to see how that drone footage turned out. That's a brand new tool we got for the channel going forward. So very excited about those possibilities using that drone. So thanks again, Apex Tire, Wheel Pro Canada, and Fuel Off-Road for allowing me to put these wheels on my F-150 Tremor. None of this would be possible without the amazing companies I get to work with, and none of this would be possible without you guys. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.